How to add Google Calendar to the Calendar app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, we're going to tap on Apps. Next, tap on Calendar, and at the top, tap on Calendar Account. Then tap on Add Account. In here, choose Google. Next, you need to sign to your Google account. Okay, so sign to your Google account, and then from here, we're going to tap on Next. So we need to tap on the Continue button at the bottom here. And once you have signed in, there are some options available from the Gmail account. So in here, you want to make sure Calendars is switched on, and then tap on Saved. And that's it. So we have now added the Gmail account or the Google Calendar to the Calendar app. And that's it. So if you now open up your Calendar app, it should have your Google Calendar added to the app. So here it is, Calendar. So at the bottom here, if you tap on Calendars, make sure it is selected. So here you can select Calendar from your Google account or Gmail account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.